Hi, I wanted to take a minute to show you around your dashboard, your calendar, and your profile in Canvas so that you can do some things and know where to find stuff. So first off, we're on my dashboard, so let's take a look around. This is where you're going to find your classes, and you can see right here, this is the dashboard sign. So your classes are here. They'll be in different colors for your different instructors. If you want to go into your class, you just click somewhere on there and it'll take you to the home page for your course, and from there you can navigate to wherever you need to get to. So your courses are here on the left, and then on the right hand side it shows you things that you have to do. So you can see something that I have to do, and I intentionally left that there so I could show it to you, and the things that I've got coming up. So I just finished summer. Thankfully I now have a week off. Yay me, right? But we're probably just getting started, so you're going to see a lot of stuff here coming up the next week. If your instructor uses the calendar feature in Canvas, then you're going to see all of your assignments and the things that you have to do this week up here in the to-do, and the things you have next week here and coming up. Importantly, if your instructor leaves you feedback, you're also going to find that right here under feedback. And if you click on it, it'll take you straight to your instructor's feedback. And now we don't get a notification usually that you respond back to us, so please send us an email to let us know that. All right, so that's our dashboard. Let's go into our calendar feature, which is right here. So the calendar feature is really neat, and you're actually able to download it into your Google Mail or your Outlook Mail or whatever mail program you use. I'm going to move me here so you can see where it says calendar feed. You can just press that and you can download it into your phone. So I highly, highly, highly encourage everybody to do that. But if you don't, everything is right here, or even just separately, you have it right here, and it tells you what you have to do, and it tells you by course. So different colors for different courses, and then it strikes it out once you've done it. Really nice feature. Now, in order for this to work, your instructor has to use the calendar feature, which means that they actually have to plug in a due date for every assignment and everything that's due. So you're not going to see everything on that you have to do, like watching lectures, reading material, things like that. You're not going to see that on your calendar because we don't set specific due dates. But hopefully all your instructors will use the calendar feature and assign due dates, and then it'll be really easy for you to follow along and keep track of what you need to do. So hopefully that's helpful. Let's go ahead to your profile here for a minute. Your profile is where you're going to set your notifications. And your notification preferences, it's really important. It tells you here, if the check mark is checked, notify me right away, meaning I'm going to get an email. You might prefer to get a push notification on your phone. Whatever you prefer, you can set that. Maybe you prefer both. That probably gets a little overwhelming, so you probably don't want both. But if you want an immediate notification, you should have this check mark. If you want something once a day, then you click the clock. If you want a weekly summary, over here, and then just don't announce it at all. Don't send me anything, over there with the X. So the announcements, you're going to want to be notified right away. That's how I communicate with you. That's how your other instructors are going to communicate with you. And we're going to expect that you're seeing those right away. So I wouldn't have that on anything other than notify me right away. And then your grading, if you want to be notified right away, I know most students do, so that would probably be checked. And then discussion posts, you might want to receive those notifications right away if you're subscribed, or you might want to get a daily or a weekly summary on that. So probably if you're subscribing to a discussion, you probably want that check to be right away. Because I see all of those for all of my classes, I don't generally want to be notified of that. Just once a day is just fine. Otherwise, I have 80 emails in my inbox that I have to get to. Conversations, you definitely want those checked to be notified immediately. That's your inbox. So you'll see over here, this is your inbox through Canvas, and it'll go immediately to your email if you check the email category. So right here, This is telling me that anything that somebody sends me in my inbox is going to come to my email, and it's going to come right away, not once a day, once a week, or never. So over here, these are my push notifications, and you see that I prefer to get things in email over push notifications on the phone. You may be different, so just set yours accordingly. You just want to make sure that you're being notified of stuff from your instructors, and so you don't miss anything. Often we send important stuff out. And then if you're going to schedule an appointment, so if something changes. So that's it. And let's all have a great time with Canvas this semester.